Students, now coming to our next activity. Let's try to write as many words as possible with 3 letters, 4 letters, 5 letters, 6 letters, 7 letters and 8 letters. Form groups and come up with your words after some time.
Ma'am, my group and I have prepared list of all 3-letter words. Shall I read them?
Yes, of course.
The, for, but, not, you, his, 10, man, run, tap, put, sad, dad, damn, gun, get, hen, hit, had, big, bin, car, can, cut, fan, fun, net, nil, pin, pen, red, sun, tag, van, etc.
Very good. Who will try to preset the list of 4-letter words?
Ma'am, my group and I have prepared the list. I will read it. Band, bull, clap, drum, fish, goat, hand, jump, kite, lion, maid, nose, neck, open, oval, pram, race, sand, soup, rose, tree, wand, yawn, zero.
Well done. Now who will come with the list of 5-letter words?
Ma'am, we have prepared it. I will read for my group. Apple, bread, crown, frown, great, horse, yummy, small, world, share, after, smile, aware, ocean, plant, water, light, money.
Good work. Now it's time to come up with 6-letter words.
Teacher, may I?
Yes, please.
Golden, silver, orange, flower, friend, grapes, garden, handle, animal, butter, bundle, change, cannot, decide, divide, basket, bamboo, insect, inside, indoor.
Well done. Now it's time to start with 7-letter words.
Ma'am, we will read the 7-letter words. Climber, support, cabbage, spinach, present, factory, chapter, survive, giraffe, balcony, cheetah, swallow, stomach, peacock, bicycle.
Very good. And last is 8-letter words.
Ma'am, it was a bit difficult but we have tried and prepared the list. I will read them. Movement, marigold, beetroot, sunlight, pleasant, sprinkle, birthday, informal, sentence.
Well done, children. You all did a fabulous job. Everyone's efforts are commendable.